I have made millions of dollars trading supply and demand, and this is exactly how I draw these zones, which I strictly only trade. First thing you have to do is go on the 4-hour time frame and identify huge moves up or down. For example, this is a very obvious move to the upside. Let's zoom in a little bit here. After you found the big move up, I'm looking for the neutral candle before the big move up to be super accurate, right? If it's a big move to the upside, you want a red or neutral candle before. Now, sometimes you'll have a lot of consolidation. Sometimes it'll be just a single candle. It does not really matter. Now, for demand zones, these are areas you want to go long at or wait for breaks to go short. You're looking for the top of the body of the candle and the bottom wick of that neutral candle before the big move up as your level. For supply, you want to identify huge moves to the downside. And it's the same thing as demand, but the opposite. You get out your box drawing tool, and the top of your zone will be the top wick, and the bottom of your zone will be the bottom body. Now, once you have your zones drawn on the 4-hour chart, you want to zoom into the hourly chart, and you want to adjust the zone and make it as tight as possible. Now, on the 4-hour chart, this whole thing was a zone. On the hourly chart, obviously now we have a little bit of a smaller level, and this is going to help you a lot to remove fake outs from the equation. Now, you can do this all the way down to the 30-minute chart if you want, but if you see no difference in the 30-minute chart, you can keep it exactly how it is here. Something I can highly recommend you guys pay attention to when you're approaching these zones to avoid fake outs is the volume. If you see volume significantly die out as you're approaching a zone, you can expect a bounce. If you see volume pick up as we're approaching a zone, you can expect a break. Make sure to comment down below the word course, and I'll send you an in-depth PDF on everything I just talked about here so you don't forget.